Okay, second grade, this is going to be your Google Doc review just to see what you've learned so far and to see if you can fix things and edit this doc that I have for you right here. I'm going to go through the directions one by one, and then I'm going to let you guys go ahead and complete it all on your own. So number one says change the font style. In order to do that, we have to click, drag, and highlight everything. And then we're going to come up to where it says font. We're going to click, and then you guys get to pick whichever font you like. I'm just going to pick Shadows into Light because that's one that I use a lot. Okay, so we've done number one. We've changed the font style. Now, number two, change the font size to 14. So again, we're going to click, drag, and highlight everything. And then we're going to come up here to where it says size, and we're going to change it to 14. Now, it's okay if the directions move down farther on the page. That's okay. Now, number three says make the title bold, underline it, and put it in the center. And we're just going to do that with the title. So we're going to click and drag and highlight the title. We're going to come up here and make it bold. We're going to come up here and underline it. And then we're going to come over here and put it in the center of the page. Okay, now we're ready for number 4, correct the spelling errors. So, if you remember, there's two ways to correct spelling. You can either go up to where it says Tools and then hit Spelling, and you can change your spelling mistakes that way, or you can take your mouse and right-click with your middle finger on the word, and then click the correct word at the top, and your computer will change it for you. So you should have 3 spelling errors to fix. Okay, now that those are done, we are ready for the last one, which is number 5. You're going to insert an image of a bat, and you're going to put it in the center of the page. So make sure that you click at the end of your sentence or your text and press enter 2 times. And then now we're going to go up to Insert, Image. We're going to go over here to Search. We're going to type in bats and then click the search box. And then you guys can scroll through and pick whichever picture of a bat you like. I'm going to pick this one. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hit select. Now, my picture came in too big, so I need to click on my picture, take my mouse down to the corner of the picture, click and drag it in to resize it, make it smaller. And then I'm going to scroll back up to the page. I'm still going to resize it, make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to come up here and put it in the center of the page. And then you're done. Now, it's okay if the directions move down the page because you put your picture in there. I'm not worried about that. But just make sure that you've put your picture underneath your words and that your text and your picture are all on one page. And then go ahead and turn this into the Google Classroom.